Greetings, explorers. Greetings, explorers. I made it to Cedar Ridge Preserve, managed by Audubon Dallas. This one is, let's see, the address shows 7171 Mountain Creek Parkway. You can see it right there. This place is rather busy today. There's a lot of people out here, and as you see that the parking is probably rather full. They're actually as one vehicle is leaving, they're letting one in, type of thing. So let's see if we've got any good luck. But I feel really good about this one today, and we'll see where this takes us. I made it inside the park, so I'm about to lock the truck. So got the parking, so now we got to go look at the rules and see what the rules are about. There's poisonous snakes, plants. Glad I have my boots on. Let's see here. Look, you are starting to hike into one of the very few wildernesses. All right. Let's look here. No unauthorized bicycles, motorcycles, ATVs, vehicles. So we're good. It doesn't say anything about drones. We're going to start on Possum Hall Trail. All right, so I'm going down this one because it shows that it's, well, I saw a lot of people going down this other place, and this one's only 3 3/4 of a mile. So, let's just check it out and see where it takes us. Let's find some beauty. Maybe if we can find a little area that's remote, I can launch the drone. But I've got to be careful because there's a lot of people out here. So, but it's definitely a beautiful day to where the wind is not bad. Earlier I looked at it, was about 7 miles per hour. Let's enjoy this beauty that this place packs. There's a lot of it too. It's a beautiful nature preserve. And again, this place is called Cedar Ridge Preserve. How about some fun facts and history about Cedar Ridge Preserve? It's jointly owned by City of Dallas and Dallas County and managed by Audubon Dallas. They're a local chapter of the National Audubon Society. They manage the preserve's day-to-day operations, including educational programs and volunteer efforts to keep the place clean the way you see it right now. It actually began in 1975 when the Green Hills Foundation, they acquired 26 acres of this beautiful property, and it led to early outdoor programs by the Dallas Nature Center. And over the next decades, Dallas County acquired the property in the area, eventually acquiring the Green Hills Foundation land by 2003. And at the same time, Audubon Dallas, they assumed the preserve's management and educational responsibilities, which had been handed off from the Dallas Nature Center. A lot of fun. Sounds like a lot of fun. So back in the mid-1980s, Dallas County began acquiring the property in the area. And in 2002, the Dallas Nature Center transitioned its responsibility to Audubon Dallas. And in 2003, Dallas County acquired the final parcel of the original 26 acres, and Audubon Dallas officially took over the preserve's management and educational program. Sounds like a lot of fun to me. So thank you. I appreciate Dallas County, Audubon Dallas, and everybody that's been involved to keep this place nice and beautiful, and for me to be able to experience, for you to be able to experience this wonderful, beautiful place to go out and hike and just feel nature. That was quite interesting. I had no idea that my little quad would kick up so much dust. Look at that. So just remember, when there's a lot of dust, don't fly the quad down to it, because it's going to kick it up. And what a cool effect though it was. I can't wait to see that on camera. This place is exciting. Oh yeah, that's right. Hopefully we don't see any. That'd be kind of crazy. About to head down this Cedar Break Trail. The length is about 1.9 miles. So far I've gone 1.78 miles today. And so we're gonna... Ooh, this one's nice. This is a nice trail. One thing I like about these trails is when you find a spot by yourself, it's, you know, it's like you're on a spiritual journey. You can feel everything, all the nature, all the energy. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. I've gone about 3 miles already, and this is not a flat trail. You can see that there's a lot of hills. But man, look at the beauty. I mean, this is so So beautiful. This is exactly why I do this, because I mean, you get to discover, you get to explore beautiful things. And I've got to be very, very aware of not to get to the camera. Because Cedar Ridge State Park. Ooh, this was a steep one. Let's make sure there's no spider webs. I wonder how to get over there, but just gotta be careful. I think this is probably one of the best or challenging trails that I've been on so far, because I mean, I don't know if you can see how steep that is, but that's a good climb. I'd say from there to there it's about a good 30 feet. Let's see here, from here about down there, yeah, that's got to be maybe 30 feet. Whew. Wow. Heard a critter. Oh. Oh, look at that. I wonder what kind of berries these are. If anybody knows what kind of berries they are, feel free to put those in the comments. I mean, I wouldn't eat them. I'm sure that there's, I mean, maybe something eats them. But that's definitely, I love the color. I'm very impressed with how beautiful this place is. I mean, these trails, what they've done to make them look just absolutely amazing. How they've utilized nature to make the steps, what nature provided to give back to nature. Just look at this. It's absolutely amazing. So creative. The smell out here is very floral. Maybe it's this that's giving that off, I'm not sure. If you ever run into me on a trail, don't be surprised if I smile at you and say, hey, because that's my thing. A lot of people pass you and they might think that, you know, hey, they're going to be silent and they don't want to say anything. But you know what? Just be friendly and say something. Just say hi. You know, and if they got a shirt, you know, like one kid had a NASA shirt. I'm like, ooh, I like your NASA shirt. And he looked up and he smiled. So, you know, pass that beautiful energy on. Don't be afraid. We got a jogger coming this way. We're not going to get him on camera. So, yeah, oh, got to cut that one out, man. Oh, man. All right, that one has to be cut out. But that was funny. That was funnier and funny. What I'm saying is just have that energy, smile at everybody, and they're gonna know that you're a good spirit. And you know what? If they don't smile back, you know, it's okay. It's okay if they don't smile back. You just planted a seed with them, and maybe the next time they might finally eventually feel that and then smile at somebody. So, you know, don't be afraid to say something, say hello, because we need that positive spirit and that energy. I mean, look at this wonderful place. There's a lot of it out here, and you know, just wow. Let's see what we've got here. The pond is that way. The cedar this way. Parking is 1/10 of a mile that way. So we'll be all right. Wow, what a beautiful place. Cedar Hill Nature Preserve here in Texas. I'm not sure what the name of the nearest town is, but this place is really tranquil. There's definitely a lot of people on this trail. I had to stop a lot and let them pass so I don't get them on camera. And I'll tell you one thing, I only went 5 miles. I'm gonna say 5 miles by the time I make it to the truck. And there's a lot more trail, a lot more. I kind of ventured off over here in the beginning of this trail that I'm going to start next time. Don't know, let's take a walk over here and see what it is. But I'm telling you, this is a beautiful place. Definitely look it up if you're in Texas. Definitely meant for hiking. You know, I don't know about exploring, but you know, if you've never been here, that's kind of the exploring part of it. So let's just look here on this side. When immediately from the parking, you got the pond. That's 1 mile. That's pretty nice, so I'll know what that is. They've got a bluebonnet trail, which is over here that way, a mulberry trail, which is over here, and a prairie trail, which is over here, I guess, and then the parking is going that way. So let's see, in partnership with Cedar Ridge Preserve, managed by Audubon Dallas. And I tell you, this place is absolutely wonderful. They've got a lot of mulch down here, which makes it very comfortable to walk on some places. Some other places it's worn out. But I'm going to tell you one thing. Wow, I felt a lot of amazing energy today, a lot of amazing energy. And I want to thank you for watching. If you made it this far, wow, pat yourself on the back. You know, definitely give a like, subscribe if you haven't, share, comment. Let me know how you like it. And I'm sure that I'm going to be putting my own original music to this, of course. I'll find some spots and some moments to put it in there, but let me know what you think. And definitely thank you for watching, and thank you for liking, and see you next time.